Okay, we just got in the J's full titanium exhaust. Really excited about it. Got it on eBay. It is gently used, but I'm pretty pumped up about it. So we're gonna get a good measurement of before and after and see how much weight we save. I mean, I could hold this thing with like one finger pretty much. Look at that. Whee! All right, let's start. All right, 209.3, okay. All right, let's see how much it is when I'm holding the exhaust. All right, let's weigh it. All right, 219.2. It's about 10 pounds. I installed a single titanium exhaust for many reasons, but the most important one is the weight savings. I spent some considerable time researching different exhausts online, watching videos on YouTube, and reading comments on forums like S2KI before I made my decision. I did notice that quite a few people stated that there are very few horsepower gains with an aftermarket exhaust on an S2000, and the ones who did have some power gains had a combination of different supporting mods, including a tune. When I found out that the OEM exhaust weighs over 50 pounds and that different companies make exhaust systems for less than 10 pounds, I decided the weight savings were worth it for me. I went on YouTube and listened to some S2000s with single exhaust, and to be frank, I really don't like the sound of 4-cylinder engines with loud exhaust. I was leaning towards the Tanabe Medallion touring exhaust, which is dual exhaust, but then I did find some reputable companies that did make a good sounding single exhaust for the S2000. I heard a few and realized I might be able to get a single without sounding like rice. There are plenty of titanium exhaust systems out there for the AP1 and AP2 S2000. They range anywhere from $1,000 to more than $2,000. And for some reason I noticed that the lower priced ones came in 3 separate pieces. I also have to note that there are exhaust systems out there made out of other materials that perform great and sound awesome, but my focus was on a titanium exhaust for the S2000. Here are a few titanium exhausts that are offered for the S. Shout out to Evasive Motorsports for having these exhaust systems on their website, which allowed me to browse through them, and I took a screenshot of them so I could share them with you. The TR1 is quite expensive, looks awesome, and also weighs around 10 pounds. The new version of the exhaust that I have, the J's Racing FX Pro RS 60 RS for the S2000, looks quite neat and also is quite pricey. The Putty Club for $1,000 comes in 3 pieces, as I noted earlier. It's full titanium, could be a good deal, but I don't know any information about it. The Tomy also is like the Buddy Club, comes in 3 pieces and is about $1,000. Now, my only complaint is that the J's Racing exhaust I bought did not fit perfectly on the AP2 because Honda changed the passenger tunnel on the AP2 from the AP1. I had to add some heat wrap to keep it off the car tunnel. I have to thank the STKI members for always helping me find solutions to the S2000 dilemma. I found a solution to this tunnel issue with the heat wrap on S2KI as well. I love my new exhaust. It makes the car a whole new experience. The first day we installed it, we even decided to take a long way home. Okay, so here's the exhaust. It is uninstalled, and I would say that it was fairly easy to remove it. I recommend having an extra person because when you take off the exhaust hangers, it's pretty heavy and awkward for one person. But we're gonna weigh it, so let's go ahead and get started with it. Okay, so this is day 2, so I'm sure my weight changed, but let's go ahead and weigh myself first, and then we'll do the math. All right, it's 209.2. Okay, let's see if I can do this. 263.4. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.